Hi everyone, my name is Adisurji from Lagos, Nigeria. This is me introducing my CS50 final project after taking the whole course. Currently, I'm a shoemaker. I'm a graduate of Electrical Electronics Engineering from the University of Ibadan, Nigeria, and I also make shoes as a side hustle. Most shoemakers and artisans don't have where they upload their projects or their samples. They use normal digital platforms, but those platforms don't allow customization of their product. So my solution is where a medium whereby buyers can have access to different sellers of different products and different categories of products, and they can also negotiate and send messages to them. Project is run on Flask. I use Flask Python. I also use Bootstrap for the front end, and I also use cloudinary for hosting the images of the products.
So this is the live session of the project. You have a buyer and a seller role. So the buyer role, you can see the sellers, the available sellers of different products. This one has 3 products, this one has 1 product. Anytime you click view their products, you can see the products that they've created. This seller has created different products. You can add to cart. The add to cart function is not working, it's coming soon. You can also see view the profile of the seller. You can see his location, his shop, his number. You can view his profile to show you the profile where the person is. You can even show you the person has uploaded gallery of visible pictures of where his working space is. You can see it. One of the goals of doing UI UX or building something is how easy and accessible the product is. But somebody with basic education should be able to use the product, add products, manage categories and messages. You can see the products that this seller has created. From one screen, you can edit, delete. You don't need to go to another page. That's one thing I was watching out for. You can also adjust his profile. There's a sidebar here. You see profile, add products, messages, and logout. There is no need of putting the logout button somewhere visible. That's another UX thing that I learned. Now to the fun part. Now whenever a buyer messages a seller about a product, the messages get categorized under the name of the product. But now if I send a message based on this Chelsea boots, if I message the seller and I type in some messages, this is the seller's view of his own messages. Chelsea boot bros. If I go to the seller's section or I open the seller's profile or his own account, a message has dropped on that category showing the buyer's name, which was Tommy, and the message that you can also reply. I added this function was for negotiation, when you want to negotiate between for the price and location of where you want to receive your product. Thank you CS50 for giving me the opportunity of creating this web app. It was nice learning, using the 11 weeks to learn and to build something that my community, the shoemaker community or the artisan community in Nigeria can use. Cheers to creating more products.